It's always a good thing to carry a compact toolkit on long rides, which has everything neatly arranged and the size is small enough to fit in your saddlebag pocket. So is this Stanley 46-piece mini toolkit enough for motorcycle maintenance? Let's find out. So let's start with the quarter-inch sockets, and we have total 13 of them, starting from 4mm, 4.5mm, 5mm, 5.5mm, 6mm to all the way up to 14mm. All these socket sizes should be enough to carry out the basic maintenance on the brakes, carburetors, jets, oil filters and other small jobs. And if you have a Honda motorcycle less than 200cc, then you can use the 12mm socket to drain the engine oil. As this is a quarter-inch drive mini toolkit, the socket size is limited to 14mm. So we will miss out on bigger sockets required for chain adjustment and to work on bigger bolts. The good thing about these sockets is that they have 6-point grip for better hold. The CRV coated sliding T-bar is a frequently used tool in this toolkit. As an attachment to the T-bar, we get the regular 50mm and the 100mm extensions. Along with that, we get a flexible extension to reach out to those difficult spaces. For similar application, we get a universal joint with quarter-inch compatibility. So after all the sockets, we move towards the screwdriver, where we get this quarter-inch handle with a chunky grip. Stanley has cleverly designed the back of the handle where the sliding T-bar fits in, which gives you that extra torque when you fight with that stubborn bolt or screw. Yes, you guessed it right, this screwdriver handle is compatible with both the quarter-inch socket and the screwdriver bits. Now coming to the bits, we get the regular Phillips head type. Then we have the snug PZ type bits. We also get the regular flat head type bits, which will definitely help in tuning the carburetor. Then we have the Torx bit. We get 7 of them, which should be useful when we are working with the electronics. In between we get 4 Allen keys from 1.5mm to 3mm. These hex keys continue in the form of hex bits from 3mm, 4mm to all the way up to 8mm. The 5mm hex bit is useful at many places. Even the bigger ones are useful while working on the parts like the front suspension. Finally, we get a quarter-inch ratchet, which really makes the job easy. And here we can use it with a lot of combinations. So you can have this ratchet for almost everything in this box. So apart from the bigger sockets, the toolkit misses out on a spark plug socket, which is available in the half-inch socket set, which was earlier reviewed on this channel.